Is this you? You're all set to unleash the power of your Dyson V10. You pull the trigger and silence. The battery is charged, it looks perfect, but it just won't turn on. You're not alone. This is the most common issue we see, and it's called a broken trigger module. It's a notorious problem for thousands of Dyson V10 owners. Inside the handle, a tiny plastic support piece takes the full force of every pull. Over time, that small piece fatigues and snaps, leaving your trigger useless and your powerful vacuum completely inoperable. What's worse than a Dyson V10 with a broken trigger? Frying the entire motherboard while trying to fix it yourself. You told yourself, it's just one tiny broken part. How hard can it be to fix? But now your expensive Dyson V10 is scratched, glued shut, and you've just created a legitimate electrical hazard. This is the worst-case scenario that starts with a common problem. The Dyson V10 broken trigger module. You've seen the problem, you understand the risks of a DIY fix, but now what? This is where RoboCare comes in. We handle this Dyson repair every day, safely and correctly. Stick around and we'll show you why trusting a pro is the only way to go. Our certified technicians are specialists in Dyson engineering, and frankly, we've seen more broken V10 triggers than we can count. We know this machine inside and out. We don't just replace the faulty component with another one that's doomed to fail. We use our proprietary upgraded trigger module, engineered with reinforced polymer that's significantly stronger than the original. Using specialized precision tools, our technicians carefully disassemble the handle assembly, install the new, robust trigger, and ensure every connection is perfect. This isn't just a repair, it's a permanent upgrade that solves the core design flaw. But talk is cheap. Now we'll show you the results. And just like that, it's back. With our upgraded, reinforced trigger module installed, this Dyson is better, stronger than ever. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, the relief was huge. It works perfectly. Actually, I'd say it works better. The trigger feels more solid, more clicky in a good way. It doesn't feel fragile like it used to. RoboCare didn't just fix my vacuum. They upgraded it and saved me from having to spend hundreds on a new one.
Don't replace it, repair it. Let RoboCare bring your favorite cleaning tools back to life. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.